Hi friends, I'm Jamie Ann with Magical Vacation Planner. In this video, I'll show you how to link your park tickets to your My Disney Experience app so that you can start making plans for your visit. From the home screen, tap the menu button, then select Tickets and Passes. Here, you will see any tickets linked to your account. If your park tickets are part of your vacation package booked with your Disney hotel, those tickets will automatically be linked with your hotel reservation. You'll see them already listed right here. If you purchased your tickets separately, you'll need to link them manually. Tap Link Tickets and Passes. Enter the ticket ID number found on your confirmation email or the back of your physical ticket. Then assign each ticket to the correct guest in your party. Make sure each guest is already connected in your family and friends list. If they have their own My Disney Experience account, you'll need their date of birth and email to link them. When you see the confirmation message, your park tickets are ready to use in the app. And that's it. Whether your tickets came with your hotel package or you added them separately, you're now ready to make park reservations and start planning your magical days. In the next video, we'll walk through connecting your family and friends list.